When tourists don't follow guidelines, it can be damaging for destinations, especially for destinations whose natural environment is particularly fragile, like places in the Arctic. One of the ways that the tourism industry tries to ensure that tourists stick to the rules is by asking tourists to sign a destination pledge. But although these pledges are in use in many destinations, their effect on behaviour has never been objectively tested. In this study, we conducted a field experiment to find out whether tourist pledges actually work. Then we conducted a survey experiment to find out how they work. Our field experiment took place at a heritage site in Greenland. Groups of visitors were randomly presented with a destination pledge that they were asked to sign. One of the behaviours these tourists committed to was keeping to the marked trails. Then, visitors were tracked using GPS trackers. We tracked both visitors who had signed the pledge and visitors who had not been presented with the pledge at all. We found that visitors who had signed the pledge strayed from the marked trail significantly less often, for significantly less time, and for significantly shorter distances than visitors who were not asked to sign. In short, this means that our pledge was successful in reducing tourist misbehaviour. But one question remained. Why was our pledge successful? Looking at existing literature, we couldn't find a clear explanation as to how pledge interventions work. So we used a survey experiment to test the different theoretical explanations in the literature. Our results suggest that the pledge worked by increasing commitment, which caused pledgers to assign responsibility for the behaviour to themselves. Our results are particularly important for destinations that lack human and financial resources, because a pledge is a cheap and simple way to effectively change tourist behaviour.